Hello spreadsheet enthusiast. In Google Sheets, data transformation formulas are powerful tools that allow users to manipulate, analyze, and transform data within spreadsheets. Let's consider an example to understand how these formulas work. In this particular sheet, upper table from range A1 to K8 will be transformed to the expected form as shown on the lower left table. The applied formula must be able to manage 3 products split by 3 columns to be transposed to vertical mode. Then filter to display only the code which have more than one product. This video is a part 1. We will show you one solution of formula that we got from the internet, performed by someone. It's little bit complicated, and has a shortcoming in terms of output. Let's apply the formula. Part 1 is first solution using this dynamic formula. It's quite long formula. For the effectiveness, you'll decide. First, we copy the formula, then paste to the cell G12. Yes. You can read the formula for a while. Or you may pause this video or do screen capture to type the formula by yourself. Sorry, we did not copy this formula in the description. Bingo! At a glance, the output is exactly the same with expected. Now, the crucial part, checking the data result by sampling. Evaluation is always needed. What coming next, will explain why we need it. Sometimes we use a dummy data for formula testing, but when the main data has small change, the output of the applied formula is not comply as we expected. Do you pay attention to things like this? See this. The product name of the actual data is more than one letter. Let's try to edit some data to the previous dummy table. We are focusing the change to the product name, and let's see if the formula can adapt to the change we made. Oops. It turns out that we have discovered the weakness of this data transformation formula. The formula results do not change following changes to the data. From here we can learn that a formula that looks dynamic and quite complex still has to be tested if there are changes in the data. Even though the formula in part 1 video still has weaknesses, let's try implementing it on actual data. Formula editing follows the number of rows and columns of actual data. You have to be careful when doing it. The implementation of this formula, which still has weaknesses, will be used as a comparison to the formula that we will apply in video part 2. Please subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss information about the next video. As an illustration for you, the formula in the video in the second part will be much simpler and more effective. Thank you for watching and subscribing to this video. See you in the next video.